Today, we're going to talk about how to use Zelle from Bank of America to pay TD Bank. To start, you need to be enrolled in Zelle through Bank of America's online or mobile banking service, and you'll also need the recipient's U.S. mobile number or email address to send money directly to their bank account. The process is quick and free from the Bank of America app. Once enrolled, the money moves directly to the recipient's account in minutes. Please keep in mind that Zelle is intended for sending money to people you trust. As for TD Bank customers, the process is simple. Just ensure you're enrolled in Zelle through TD Bank's online or mobile banking service, and then you'll be able to receive money directly into your TD Bank account using just your U.S. mobile number or email address. Overall, using Zelle to pay TD Bank from Bank of America is convenient, secure, and fast, saving you the hassle of dealing with checks or cash. So, if you want to learn more about how to enroll in Zelle with Bank of America or TD Bank, check out the comprehensive guides provided by both banks. That's all for today's video.